Hi, I'm Jenny from the YouTube channel dedicated to adventure. You know, I'm a huge fan of utilising trekking poles on all of my hikes because they improve my balance and posture and transfer about 30% of the load from my lower body. I can feel the difference in my lower back, hips, knees and ankles. And the best part is that I can hike further knowing that I'm taking care of my joints. I've received the latest addition to my trekking pole family, for now because they're only on loan. Let me introduce the HikeSense collapsible trekking pole. I'm going to be reviewing them over the next 300 kilometres of multi-day hikes, and I can't wait to get to know them. My initial thoughts are that I absolutely love the variety of feet cover that come with these trekking poles. You know, I haven't seen another really well-made trekking pole in any of the stores that come with such good variety. I love these snow pole feet because they're much bigger than the ones that I have on my existing poles. And we also have the other round ones, sand, mud, silt ones, so they'd be very good. And I've never seen the boots, which are meant for hard surfaces like walking on bitumen. That's these guys. They're absolutely amazing. And they would save the end of any trekking pole because in this case, the tips of the sticks are tungsten steel. So it's important to protect those. These are for rocky surfaces. So they're going to be good on all my rocky terrain. I also really love how easy they are to assemble. You know, it really only took me about 7 seconds. There's the tungsten steel tip, and they're really lightweight, 240 grams, so that's really good for me.